I'm testing a suspected moist, wet spot in the hull. I can take my hand, rub it along here. I can feel some bulging in the hull right there. Now I'm going to take my moisture meter, and you can see, having trouble with one hand. So I got the moisture meter right there, and it's in a low area. The needle is. As I get closer and closer and closer, you can see that the needle's starting to peg. Wow, it's pegged all the way around here. And as I get away from that area, the needle goes back down into a more acceptable range. I'm going to go up high. And now back low again. And it's easy to assume that this moist spot is caused from water leakage through those two through-hole ports. And I'm assuming those are for air conditioner condensate, and that maybe also bilge pump. So when you do your survey, make sure your surveyor checks everything. If you have questions about surveys or what to do when you're planning to buy a boat, ask Captain Chris.